Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
13 essential phrasal verbs with carry. Like and subscribe to the channel. Carry on. Meaning, to continue doing something. Example, please carry on with your work. Carry out. Meaning, to perform or complete a task. Example, they carried out the experiment successfully. Carry over. Meaning, to extend to a later time or date. Example, the meeting will carry over to tomorrow. Carry through. Meaning, to complete something in spite of difficulties. Example, he carried through her plans despite the challenges. Carry off. Meaning, to succeed in doing something difficult. Example, he carried off the performance with ease. Carry back. Meaning, to return something to its original place. Example, please carry the books back to the library. Carry forward. Meaning, to advance something to the next stage. Example, we will carry forward the project to the next phase. Carry along. Meaning, to bring something or someone along with you. Example, don't forget to carry along your umbrella. Carry around. Meaning, to have something with you all the time. Example, he always carries around a laptop. Carry up. Meaning, to take something to a higher place. Example, could you carry this box up to the attic? Carry down. Meaning, to take something to a lower place. Example, please carry these dishes down to the kitchen. Carry away. Meaning, to become overly excited or enthusiastic. Example, he got carried away with the excitement of the event. Carry about. Meaning, to take something from place to place. Example, he carries about his camera everywhere he goes. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.